But one of the things we got to do every morning before we get to the job site is, well, get to Home Depot and load up these trucks. This is what we do. We load up the trucks every morning before we go to the job site. So keep following me. We'll see what happens here. So when we get to the job site, we have to unload the tool. In the process, I showed up to this job site here. Check this out. They have a little library, man. Freaking cool. You can go in here and get all these little different books. Here, look, Tom Clancy, you know, Fugitive, James Patterson, Cross My Heart. I mean, my goodness. I took a couple out of there myself. I'm gonna read it. So the posts have been set for quite a while. It's a 6-foot high solid wood picture frame style wood fence. They were on the existing, like I said, the existing brackets. Lady wanted to just reuse the same fence post, save some money, and just put the new stuff on there. And so that's what we done on that one. This is what we got going on this one here. Same kind of fence over there, only we installed our own brackets here. These are those black ones here. Probably a little bit better than they, definitely stronger. But yeah, 6-foot high solid wood fence. Be done today. So I just thought I'd come out here and show you what's going on. Thanks for watching the first 4 videos and my editing process. Getting better at that, huh? If you guys like what's going on here at this little fence channel, give it a couple thumbs up, you know, and subscribe to that channel. I greatly appreciate it. So you guys are what's fence channel grow. So thank you. Keep smiling. You guys have a great